Let's talk about what is a data set. So, a data set is a particular kind of data item that serves a specific purpose. So, operations that can be performed using data in machine learning, and the following data types are important to know. So, what do we need to know? Well, we need to know what qualitative is. So, this is measured by the quality of something rather than its quantity. Then you have quantitative. So, this is measured by the quantity of something rather than its quality. Let's go down the tree on the qualitative side. So here we have categorical. So these are values that are labels. You have discrete. So this is something that is countable and finite, and only values are possible. Under discrete, we have binary. So data types that only have two possible options, like 0 or 1 or true or false. Nominal, so labels where order does not matter. And ordinal, so labels where order does matter. On the quantitative side, we have numerical values. So these are just numbers. You have continuous, so not countable, and infinite, many possible values and can be measured. And then underneath we have interval, so a continuous value that has no zero, and then a continuous value that includes zero. So it's not ho zero, it's just no zero. But yeah, it's just these terms are going to come up when you are reading about machine learning and things like that. And so just having a general idea of this makes it a lot easier because these are less of programmer terms and more like mathematical terms, okay?